products are widely welcomed and export to many brand companies, chain stores, government projects, private projects of European America, Australia, and Southeast Asia. With our designer and electrical discharge machining, by listening and understanding the wishes of the user, we provide mold solutions to help customers realize their dream design becomes true. Beside ODM and OEM, we also provide ready-to-ship products. Fast delivery service is a great favor for customer to be quick turnover. We not only have quality control during each process of production, but also have second-time inspection to make quality assurance for customer. And we support Alibaba Trade Assurance as a free service to protect customer orders from payment to delivery. Our principle is quality first, delivery in time, payment safe, VIP service. We look forward to your cooperation and exciting to listen your successful projects.